I'm going to get the coconut more smaller for it to go into the blender. It has already washed. When I ox out some of them, you know, it's break when it's coming out of the shell. So I'm just going to cut the one which seems big for the blender. I'm going to get it cut up. So these size can go ahead and blend. I'm going to cut this more. I'm going to strain off the coconut milk. Make sure your hand is clean. Going to squeeze the coconut juice out. So guys, I'm going to put it into the blender because I'm going to blend it one more time again. So guys, when you blend your coconut 2 times, look at it. Every milk come out of it. So I'm going to put on the coconut milk to stay and cook for about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and season it. I'm going to allow it to cook before I get in the dumpling inside of it. So guys, look at it. So it's time for me to make my dumpling. So I'm going to use my measuring cup. I want to cook 3 cups. I don't want to overcook. I start measuring the flour. Just soak up. And guys, I'm not going to put any salt into my dumpling because the coconut juice has already seasoned. Have salt, all different kind of spice inside of it. So once you put in a dumpling, you're going to, you know, take in that juice going to go right through the dumpling, and you're going to taste of salt. If it's a person who loves salt, you can put in salt inside of your flour. My fish already wash it. Use lime or lemon to wash your fish, or if you have vinegar, you can use vinegar also. We're going to check on the dumpling. So guys, once you see your dumpling start to float, you know dumpling is cooked, you see? So we're going to give it about 2 more minutes or 3 and then remove the flame from underneath it, okay? Right, man? Oh. So dumplings, well guys, it cooked. See it? So guys, have every season cut up to go on the fish. You have bell pepper, you have onion, garlic, thyme, pimento seed. Every season, guys, cut up to go on the fish. I'm going to sprinkle everything on it when we start cook down, my lord. Right, look at this slim fish coming down to the nice gravy. I'm going to make it cook about 3 more minutes. So guys, my fish is ready. Fish cooked down because by the time I make it stay more, I'm not going to have any gravy. Oh my god.